Hello everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Tom. Thank you for joining me today. It is Friday, November 19th, 2021, and I have a recall update for you guys. So, as some of you may have already gotten this is an email from Steve Hill, VP of Chevrolet, and he essentially talks about the software update that's scheduled to happen. Now, for those of you who don't get these emails, I highly recommend that you contact your dealership so that you can get placed on the mailing list for these types of notices. Also, I want to touch on what he says here so that way those of you who don't get these messages will know what it says. So, this software update will automatically limit your vehicle's maximum state of charge to 80%. This, in turn, will allow you to safely resume charging indoors overnight, depleting your vehicle's battery below 70 miles of range, resulting in greater overall vehicle range compared to GM's prior interim charging guidance, and then parking indoors after charging. So, this software also contains new diagnostics designed to detect specific abnormalities that may indicate a rare battery issue in your vehicle. So, I'll copy and paste this down below. I have a couple of questions about this, and the first one that comes to mind is the software update permanent? Meaning that, are they going to do the software update now, in approximately 30 days when they expand the software update to all remaining vehicles, being that mine's a 2020, is it going to permanently stay at 80% after the battery packs are replaced? Doesn't talk about anything here. It does say at the end, this software is not the final recall remedy, and you will be notified when battery modules are available for replacement, and then they will update you when the final recall remedy is available for the vehicle. So I have a couple of questions here that I feel like I need to either contact the concierge and get some clarification, which I will do. I'm gonna have to do that because I have concerns. So, but I thought I'd share this with you guys. In some ways, it's good news. That means there's some forward traction. In other ways, it just raises more questions. So, in the meantime, I wish you guys to have a great weekend. And until next time, thank you for watching.